So one feature of Flexbox I find myself using from time to time is called order. And essentially it's like a one-off way to order individual Flex items within your Flex container on maybe a particular div, the one div here. Maybe I want it to be order 2. And it shifts itself out of focus here. And that's kind of one weird gotcha, is all these other elements need an order property to make sense here. So let's give them each one. Let's just shoot 3, 3, order 4. Default's going to be 0 in this case. So 4 is 4, 3 is 3, 1's going to the 2 slot, and then the order of 2 is now 1. So you notice they're out of order in the context of the visual display. I'm going one step ahead here though. The default here is going to be 0. So if you order these in the same way, but go down one number, that's more of a programmatic way of doing this. It's the same thing, but the default always on order is going to be 0 for these elements. So if you at any time want to change the 1 to say maybe 4, it'll go ahead and do that, and then it'll throw 4 out of context here, so we can go back to 1. And now that's in the first spot, because everything starts at 0 with programming. So the first slot here is going to be 0, this will be 1, this will be 2, this will be 3. So we're only going up to 3 in this case, even though I set it to 1 here, so it should be 3. Ooh, there we go. So in that case, now each item needs an order property when you declare these. So otherwise they'll just kind of get thrown out of context. So as I said, 1 now is in the last spot since it starts at 0. We've got 4 items here. 2 is in the 0 spot, so it's first. 3 is in the second spot, so it's basically the third in line. And then order 1 is where 4 is at. So that's a great way to kind of move things around depending on maybe the screen size or where you want to position things based on, you know, whatever you're trying to do on the web page, to be a little more unique and to control the content with CSS rather than changing your markup directly. So that is ordering in Flexbox. Hello HTML and CSS is my new course on HTML and CSS. This is a more comprehensive guide of learning both languages and using them combined to make realistic websites that are professional and useful. Visit hellohtmlcss.com to learn more.